It's a beautiful Christmas morning today, very cold but sunny here in Dehradun. I am at the Assan Barrage, also called the Dhalipur Lake. It's a pristine blue-green lake located about 40 kilometers from Dehradun. This man-made lake is a birder's paradise that lies at the confluence of Yamuna and Assan rivers. This place is a bird-watching safari and is a must while visiting here. And so I took advantage of this winter morning and the bright sunlight shining over the sky to visit this place and enjoy some birding and photography with a friend. As I sat by the road and watched these beautiful creatures, these spot-billed ducks were just swimming around looking for food in the water. They didn't seem to be bothered at all by the noise from the traffic behind me, and the sunlight was just right to take some of these birds' beautiful pictures. When you are here, you just don't look in the water, you look around on the trees as well. This green flycatcher was sitting on this branch and the sunlight was falling just right on it to shine it more like an emerald. It gave me this beautiful pose, and then the Himalayan bulbul also posed for me. Focusing back in the pond, I noticed this purple heron in the golden hues of the sun, just patiently sitting and waiting for a fish to catch. It's just a beautiful picture of it. A little bit in the distance, these shovelers, coots, common teals, pintails, and red-crested poachers were just enjoying the swim in the morning glow of the sun. As I watched them, I saw these shovelers flying in and took these shots of them landing in the water. About 53 species of birds can be seen here, including the red-crested poacher, mallards, coot, pintails, common teal, tufted duck, and many more. I enjoyed watching these red-crested poacher swimming and taking a bath or dipping in the water, coming out, cleaning itself, thoroughly enjoying the morning sun. It was awesome to watch it. As the sun was getting a little higher, the light was just right for these awesome pictures. Later we had some tea and then decided to move on the other side of the lake as it was getting more noisy here and the other side of the lake was much quieter. This side of the lake there were a lot more birds, and these common blackbirds were flying around them. Catching them in action is pretty difficult, but I managed to get these two shots. Little prinia hanging from the branch trying to catch an insect, and then there's the view of the lake. These mallards in flight are always a pleasure to catch. A common heron with the background of these beautiful pink flowers was looking so pretty, so I could take one beautiful picture of it. Hope you enjoyed this little trip to Assan Barrage with me. Thank you for watching.